Guys, welcome back to my page. Today I'm gonna repair a charger port. We are going to repair a charger port, so keep watching. All you just have to do is to watch to the end, like, comment and share. So let's fix our charger port with just a little equipment that we have. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe. We are going to fix our charger port now. Keep watching. Thanks. So guys, let's get the charger port repair started. So there's the charger port. That is the charger port we're going to use. That's the charger port we're gonna use. So keep watching. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Keep watching. Make sure you watch to the end. Like, comment and share. I'm gonna remove the charger port now. Let's remove the charger port easily. Guys, dear technicians, see how I remove it. Very funny. Very neat. So you can see I'm applying lead on top of the charge port. The reason why I'm applying the lead is for the charging port not to open easily, so that the customer will not come back and say my charging port is in the mouth of open. The cord is not tightening to it again. That's why I apply lead on top of it. You have to work like a pro. Keep watching. Then I have to scrap the charging port mount. You have to scrap it to remove any impurity. So keep watching. Just watch to the end. Like, comment and share. can see that the charging port is being done. You can see how neat, perfectly, all the line are sit, all the pins seated professionally. You can see. I apply a soda paste and a soldering lead. You can see. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.